Hello and welcome to my channel SimonRebello #scholastic tutorials. Today we are going to study quadrilaterals for class 6. Here is a quadrilateral ABCD. A four-sided bounded figure is called a quadrilateral. There are 6 types of quadrilaterals: square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, kite. A square is a rectangle. A square is a rhombus. A square is a parallelogram. A rectangle is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is not a rhombus. A parallelogram is not a rectangle. A parallelogram is not a square. A rhombus is not a square. A rhombus is not a rectangle. A rhombus is a parallelogram. Rectangle is not a square. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Rectangle is not a rhombus. There are different ways to name the quadrilateral: clockwise and anti-clockwise. Quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral ADCB, then we can name BCDA, BADC. The 8 ways here we can name a quadrilateral: quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral ADCB, quadrilateral BCDA, quadrilateral BADC, quadrilateral CDAB, quadrilateral CBAD, quadrilateral DABC, quadrilateral DCBA. Angle A is equal to angle BAD, which is equal to angle DAB. You can name it with a single alphabet or with 3 alphabets, provided that A has to be in between the other 2 alphabets. Same thing with angle B. Angle B is equal to angle ABC. You can look into the diagram. Or angle CBA. All the 3 names are same. Angle C is equal to angle BCD is equal to angle DCB. Angle D is equal to angle CDA, which is equal to angle ADC. Alphabet D is in between over here. Now vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. These are the vertices of the quadrilateral where 2 arms meet. That end point is called the vertex. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of the measures of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Side AB is equal to length AB equal to segment AB is equal to side AB. It can be named in this way: BC is equal to length BC equal to segment BC equal to side BC. CD is equal to length CD is equal to segment CD equal to side CD. DA is equal to length DA equal to segment DA equal to side DA. What are polygons? A triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, neptagon, decagon. A 3-sided figure is also called a polygon. 4-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. 5-sided figure is called pentagon. 6-sided figure is called hexagon. 7-sided figure is called heptagon. 8-sided figure is called octagon. 9-sided figure is called neptagon, and 10-sided figure is called decagon. Symbol for quadrilateral is here. Adjacent sides of the quadrilateral have common vertex. Now AB and BC, they are adjacent sides so they have a common vertex B. Opposite sides of the quadrilateral do not have common vertex. AB and CD, they are opposite sides, they do not have a common vertex. BC and AD are opposite sides, they too do not have common vertex. Whereas AB and BC have a common vertex B. They are adjacent sides. The sum of the measures of all the four angles is 360. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, together all four make 360 degrees. Angles with common arm are adjacent angles. Now angle ABC and angle BAD. Angles with common arm, that is common arm is AB. Therefore they are called adjacent angles. Angle BAD and angle ABC have a common arm, therefore angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. Another example, angle ABC and angle DCB have a common arm BC, therefore angle B and angle C are adjacent angles. Angles with no common arm are opposite angles. For example, angle ABC and angle ADC, they do not have a common arm, so they are called opposite angles. Line segments joining opposite vertices are called diagonals. AC and BD, they are the diagonals. Opposite vertex A and C, when these 2 points have been met and we draw a line, that is called the diagonal. Same with BD, BD is the diagonal. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. You can take a screenshot.